Okay, so say hello to our girls online.
Hi.
I got a big whopping class. There are 4 kids here and 4 of you at home. So, okay, we are in our book. We are going to go over page 16 quickly because this class has already done it. So I'm going to grab my book and let's just make sure we understood what they were saying. Allie's making bracelets for a craft fair, and she borrows money from her sister to get started. She spends $8 on supplies, and at the craft fair, she makes $17 selling her bracelets. How much money does Allie have after she pays her sister back? So she makes $17. That's this bar. She owes her sister $8. So we're looking for this missing number. I think we could figure it out. I know too, but they were showing you some different ways to do it. Start at -8. She owes her sister -$8. Move to the right 8 units to get to 0. She paid her sister back, so she's at 0. And then you're going to keep moving 9 more until you've moved a total of 17. And she stops at what amount? No, where does she stop? 9. So she makes $9. Use the bar model to represent how much money does she have after the fair? Hang on, it helps if I'm on the right page.
Not on the right page.
Oh my goodness, I don't have my okay, let's check some answers. I'm just going to fill these in. So if you're at home, check. If you're here, check. If it's not right, fix it. Okay, here we go. Number 2 is 17 minus 8. Okay. Write it as an addition.
Should it be -8?
It is. So they did 17 minus 8, or you can write it as 17 plus -8. How are the expressions the same? How are those related? Bobby?
They both have the same number, but it says addition instead of subtraction.
Okay. What do you know about their answers?
Both.
Same answer, yeah. They're going to have the same answer. They both have a 17. They both have a -8. Okay, what does the -8 represent on the number line on the previous page, and why is it negative? That's how much she owes her sister. So I'm going to say how much money, I did the $, she owes her sister. Why is it negative? Because she owes somebody money. Oops, my bag's on the floor. Okay. Number 5, use the number line on the previous page. Write an expression to represent the amount of money Allie has after the fair. They did -8 plus 17. How much money does she have left?
$5.
No, how much?
9.
9. She got $9 left. She owes her sister 8. She made 17. She pays her sister back. She's got $9 left. Okay, number 6. Simplify the expression you wrote. Let's go down to 7. Describe another situation. Number 6 is 9. 9 and 9. They both are equal to 9.
I put 9 equals 9.
Yeah, Bobby, that works perfectly. Describe another situation that could be represented by adding a negative number and a positive number. Are you freezing? We can shut the windows. What's the time when you would do a negative plus a positive? Besides owing somebody money and making money, what's another time you would do a negative plus a positive? What? Time? Not time. What about a game? Have you ever played a game where you get negative points? Jeopardy. So a game.
Or Monopoly.
Or if you're just a really bad football team.
Oh, football? Oh, yeah. That'd be a pretty bad football team. You can get negative yards in football. Okay.
We actually did that to our team.
Okay. Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, number 8. Okay, in a trivia game, Joshua gets a score of -4 in the first round and -5 in the second round. Well, apparently he's not good at this game. What is his total score after the 2 rounds? Raise your hand. What's his answer? He lost 4 and then he lost 5. What is it? DeMarco, what is it? -4 plus -5. -9. He's not very good at this game. Okay, a balloon is 23 feet below a tree limb. The balloon floats up 19 feet. What is its position relative to the limb? Okay, when they say 23 feet below, how do you think they want you to write that? -23. And then it floats up. So if it's going up, is that going to be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. It goes up how far? 19. What's that answer going to be? Landon, you watching?
Yeah.
You're at -23 and you're going to go to the right 19. Where's it going to be? Mackenzie, what?
That's like a lot of death is negative.
Not 3. Do it again. You're close. -4. -4 feet.
I never got that, but I think it was.
Okay. All right. That should have been review. Now, we're going to do page 18 and 19 together. So you have not done this.
So fun.
Okay, here we go. We're going to work on subtracting methods for integers. So we've already done some of this. What method are we using for subtraction? We're going to take the subtraction problem and do what to it? We're going to switch it and write it as an addition. Okay, that's our strategy. Okay. Indy, Mark, and Tess each pick a slip of paper with a subtraction expression written on it. The person holding the card with the greatest value wins a prize. So who's going to win the prize? Whose card has the greatest value? So Indy's 2 minus 3, Mark is -7 minus -4, and Tess is -1 minus -7. All right, let's see what our book suggests. You can rewrite the subtraction problems as addition problems and add them on a number line. That's my first pick. I like those. So Indy's slip, subtracting 3 is the same as adding. Okay, so I can't see them both at the same time. 2 minus 3. So Indy is 2 minus 3. Grab your pencil at home as well. Grab your pencils. Everybody here grab a pencil. And her problem is 2 minus 3, correct? Okay, let's rewrite it. Keep, change, opposite. All right, DeMarco, what do I write?
2 plus
Opposite of 3.
negative.
Yep, -3. Okay, everybody put your pencil on 2. When you add a negative, you can follow those arrows that say negatives go left. When you add a negative, go left. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? -1. So Indy has a -1. If you want to go back up to her slip and put -1 under it. Okay, let's check out Mark. Keep your pencil in your hand. Oh my goodness, Mark's got like a bazillion negatives. Okay, so Mark's looks like -7 minus -4. Please write that on your paper just like me. And now let's change it to addition. Keep, change, opposite. So what's it going to look like, Mackenzie?
-7 plus
Plus,
4.
yeah, -7 plus 4. This is so much easier to solve. Put your pencil or your finger on -7. You're adding, so my arrows say positives go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the answer? Does, I told you. I've done this for a while. What is the answer? So Indy's -1. Go to Mark's slip and underneath it write -3. So go back to the top of the page. Under Indy write -1.
I already know.
Mark is -3. All right, let's see what Tess has got going on. Okay. Don't. Tess is -1 minus -7. Did I copy it correctly? Yes. Okay, who's doing it? Keep, change, opposite. Bobby, what will it look like?
So first you would go -1.
Keep, plus, and change it. Okay, opposite. 7. So put your pencil on -1. And we're adding positive 7. So we go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Bobby, what's the answer? 6. Oh, I know who the winner is too then. The other two are negative. Tess is at least positive, so Tess is the winner. Yay, go Tess. I wonder what she wins.
It's like Monopoly.
Candy.
Yeah, money, maybe. I don't know.
$10.
Okay, all right. What's the same about all the expressions on the other page?
They all are subtraction.
They're all subtraction. Okay. They all involve subtraction. They all have integers, right? Positive and negative numbers. Okay. What do you need to do to write a subtraction problem as an addition problem? Blah, blah, blah. What do we do? Keep change. Let's say opposite. Okay. Keep the first number. Change the sign to the opposite operation. I can't get the word out. And then I need the opposite number. Keep change opposite. Write 2 minus 3 is an addition problem. Already did this, didn't we?
Yep.
We did that. We did that. Okay. Oh, I love it when that happens. Okay, let's skip down to 13. Who has a slip of paper with the greatest value? Who's the winner?
Tess.
Tess. Ding, ding, ding. And how many points did Tess have?
6 points.
Yeah, 6 points. Good, Tess. Ding, ding, ding.
I think you did that on the wrong line.
Did I? Whose slip of paper has it? We already did these on the other page. Okay. Tess is the winner with 6 points. Okay, compare the problems on Mark and Tess's slip. Okay, I have to go back and look. Okay, Mark and Tess's slip. When a negative number is subtracted from another negative number, when is the answer positive? Oh my goodness, what? Okay, hang on. Come on. Okay. So compare the problem on Mark's slip and Tessa's slip. Okay, I'm going to rewrite it because I can't see it. -7 minus -4. What was his answer? Do you remember?
-3.
Okay, and then Tess was
6.
-1 minus -7. And what was her answer?
6.
Okay, so they're saying compare these, negative minus a negative. When one negative number is subtracted from another, when is the answer positive?
When the other opposite number has a higher value.
Okay, when the opposite number, be careful, I know what you're saying. Mackenzie, help him find some clearer words.
So it's when you have to, like, when you change it, it depends on, like, what the value is. So, like, so whenever we changed it from,
Like a -7, we changed it to a +7. And this one is a -4, and we changed it to +4. Landon was trying to tell us when the second number, Landon, I'm going to help you. When the second number is what? Has a higher absolute value than the first number.
That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, I knew what you were saying. It's that second one. Okay, so let's see if we can write it. What did our book say? I always love to read what the book says. When two negative numbers are subtracted, the result will be positive if the number being subtracted has a greater absolute value. Landon said when the second number has a greater absolute value. So Landon's saying when this one has a greater absolute value than the first one. I'm going to abbreviate. Value, it equals a positive answer. I could put answer under that. Okay. Okay, 15 and 16, I say we do them for candy. Okay, yeah.
Half the class is going to get candy.
True, half of the class will get candy because there's only 2 questions and there's only 4 of you and there's only 4 kids at home. But they're not here to get candy, so we're sorry. Okay.
If I would have done that, I would have answered.
Well, you don't know. Now, maybe they won't figure it out. Okay, let's solve these. Jerry and Jane play a trivia game. Jerry's score is -17 and Jane's score is -24. Boy, they're killing it, aren't they? What's the difference between Jerry's score and Jane's score? I'm going to help you. When you see the word difference, what operation do they want you to do? So, okay, so just so we know that. So I need the subtraction, Jerry's score and Jane's score.
So should we still, should we still,
Oh, I would. Okay. Okay, DeMarco, do you think you can write the equation?
yeah,
Okay, what will it look like?
negative 27?
Who's
Negative 17.
Jerry's score first. DeMarco's going to give me the expression. He's not going to give me the answer. So he said start with Jerry's score. Negative 17. Whoops, sorry, hang on. I'll make it bigger. Negative 17. Difference means subtract minus
Negative 24.
negative 24. Okay, I'll let you have candy for that. Good news, they're all apple. Okay,
I'm not gonna hit.
look, well, 5 fell out. Grab one. Okay, who's going to give me his answer? I want somebody to do the keep, change, opposite. And then let's figure out the answer. Landon, what will it look like when I do keep, change, opposite? I'm going to write it up top.
Negative 17
Negative 17
plus 24.
plus 24. So on my number line, I would put my finger on negative 17, and then which way am I going? To the right 24.
Equals, I shouldn't say it, but I know what it equals.
No, give me the answer. What does it equal?
It equals 7.
7. So you can get candy. This equals 7. So the difference between their scores is 7. Nicely done. Group effort.
Because the difference can never.
Distance almost, yeah.
Positive.
Yeah, the distance is positive. Like when but though this is difference, but
It
yeah.
makes it confusing because of the difference, but.
I think that the hardest part for me to remember is that when they say, what is the difference, they want me to subtract.
Yeah.
And then I just went in order. Actually, DeMarco went in order. They said Jerry's score, his score went first, minus Jane's score. Okay. The table shows the highest and lowest elevations in Louisiana. What is the difference between the elevations? All right, my other 2 kids will give candy. Who wants to do the expression? Okay, Bobby, you going to do the expression? Okay, hang on, Bobby. They want difference. So what do they want me to do? They want subtraction, and they want highest and lowest. So what are you going to say?
It would be 535,
Highest,
and then minus negative 8.
lowest. What's the difference? Okay, and then who's going to rewrite it for me? Well, okay, Mackenzie, then everybody gets candy. Bobby, come on. Okay, what will it look like, sweetheart? Keep, change, opposite.
535
535
plus
plus
8.
8. Okay, 535 plus 8.
That's easy.
What is it going to be?
543.
543.
7.
543, what unit? Feet. Come on up and get candy. Okay. What? I can't write.
Wait, don't you have Smarty?
I don't have them out right now. It's a green Jolly Rancher. Okay, everybody say goodbye to the girls.
Get rid of the John Ray.
Bye, girls. Mackenzie had to get her hand in there. Okay. All right.